Um, this is a quick run through of the new EQMac Macro application. You can place it anywhere. All you have to do is double click or use Spotlight to start it, and you'll be prompted with a login screen. Because some of the features on this may require memory reading, and other features may require memory editing, this is always required to log in. If you're using this just for a standard keyboard emulator, like to send background key presses to other instances of Everquest, you're not reading the memory or writing to it. So sorry, I kind of did what was overall best, and I'll explain why here in a second. When you run the application and you log in, you get something up here. This is the main menu for the whole application. It runs in the background. You got your About window here. It pops up and basically tells you about the program. Not much information. There's only one name there, my name. Could be someone else's name there too, but he decided to bail on me at the last moment. No hard feelings. Right here, you can put in your cell phone number here if you want to receive SMS messages when a mob pops, or you can do alert through computer if you got if you're familiar with the say command. This will do it through your computer speakers. It will say NPC has popped. That's in case you don't want text messages. This feature will be implemented down the road. I'll probably start working on that more after I'm done with this video. This is a new feature compared to my last program. A lot of people are bitching and complaining about the hotkeys. Not everyone had F13 through F15 keys. So I changed this so people can choose their own hotkeys, whatever they want. Yeah, I don't have a help file yet. That'll probably be the last thing I do. The show terminal. Now this is another new feature. This will be more powerful down the road once I get the next major feature implemented. For now, you can just use arbitrary commands that you've added on to the actual EQMac application. For instance, if you had a command to warp or something like that, all you do is type in the command and the appropriate arguments. Let's go ahead and hide that. Show HUD. This is kind of an add-on from one of my other projects that I decided to throw in here. This will work, if you have full screen. See, I'm in game right now, and it's still above it. You can place it anywhere. I'm not sure if I put in the code to have it above the screen when it's not in windowed mode. Somebody get back to me, let me know. Basically, this gives you statistics of all your bots online. I only have one character online, but this would list all of them. And I fixed a glitch in there, so it shouldn't be crashing anymore when you have the HUD. The start healing and start DPS. This is for your simple scripts, kind of like the last application. This is built in. These won't be too complex scripts. I decided to go ahead and put these in, and I'll leave them in for users that won't feel too comfortable creating their own scripts in the programming language that I'm currently developing right now. We have install binary. And naturally, here we go. And I'll install binary real quick. This is basically your third-party plugins, your memory readers, your writers, or some obscure commands that I can't think about or can't think of that somebody might create. This is for, you know, anybody that created something. You can install binary, and that was commands. Whoops. And that binary just gives us a list of commands we have installed. So say for instance, if somebody creates a warp plugin down the road, all you have to do is just install that into this application, and how I'll have the programming language set up is it'll directly call any of those plugins that you install in the script, so you can have complex scripts based off any binaries, not just ones created by me, but any binaries anyone creates. Then we got the create macro. Okay, this is for your DPS bots and stuff like that. We select the character here, and then you know, we can create. Let's just select something real quick. Cooldown time 0, and loop action. Basically, I think all this stuff is pretty well explanatory, except for the loop action. The loop action is what the program does is it runs through all the commands that you have in once, and then it will loop back through them. And anything that you don't want to put in the loop, you just select no. Say like if you want to cast Tash once but not recast it over and over and over, you select no for you know, if it was spell gem 1, and you can add that. You can insert something wherever you want. It'll insert it right above it. If you hit add, it'll add it to the next one down. You can edit in window, or you can edit over here. If you edit over here, then you just click edit afterwards. You can remove, or you can remove all. And once you got your script set up, all you do is hit save script and go to the next bot. Pretty easy. The macro bots. Click add and say, like for instance, this was a cleric. All I do is add his name and the complete heal hotkey. Click save, and I can keep doing that for all the clerics or druids that I have that will be casting complete heal. And then we can change the timer to, you know, whatever we want. And this timer is on the fly, so while you're running the script, if you need to tighten up your heal chain, or you have some slack in, or you can put some slack in it, whenever you change this, the script will automatically update while it's running. And the DPS, same thing as the cleric or the healer bots. You just add whatever you add whatever bot you want, their name, and you just hit save. And for instance, with me, if I hit command 3 or command 4, it'll start sending key presses to those bots. If you guys have any questions about, you know, some feature that you didn't understand, feel free to post it on the forums. Thanks.